Alright, so we're also going to go in with the Kylie Bronze Palette. This is literally my favorite palette I have. And I'm going to stare into the camera for like 3 seconds so you understand that. This is my favorite palette. Starting with this color out here in the Kylie palette, in the back right corner. It's a really good crease color. I mean, I'm pretty sure that that's what it's made for. But I do like it for a lid color too. So I'm just going to take it across the crease very, very lightly. Okay, so just do circular motions. A lot of people do like this like window thing, which is fine, like to get it in there, but once you do, circular motions are like the best way to buff it into your skin and just, you know, get a really good blended look. And now she kind of has some funky stuff going on. It goes kind of from like this orange peachy to gray. So I'm gonna go in with this gray color from the Charlotte Tilbury Golden Goddess palette right here. The only gray shade in it, so hopefully you're not too confused. And I'm just gonna bring that only in up here, like more so towards the inner crease of my eye, because she fades into this like silver gray color. And now the reason I did get this palette, the Kylie one, out for this video was obviously the main base coat for the crease, but for this orange in the middle, I never ever use this color, like ever, and casually blend it into, you know, that gray that I've got going on. So I'm gonna go in with a MAC, I want to say 217, I was really wrong, 239, yeah, 239. It looks like this. I don't know why I said that like that. And I'm gonna go in with this darker brown. It's such a pretty brown. It's one of my favorite browns. This one and the Kylie brown are like bomb. And I'm just gonna put it in the corner and casually bring it into the middle of my eyelid. We're gonna go in with the brown from the Kylie palette. So I'm going with the brown in the middle. This is like my most used like eyeshadow color I have. Same brush. I use the same brush for a lot of things when I do my eyes because I think it helps blend things together. I just want it a little bit darker on the corners, and that's why I'm going in like this. And now I'm gonna go in for the fun part. Let's see here. She's got white. I'm gonna go in with this. It's like a lining brush. It's flat. I love this brush. Brushes like these are so handy. And I'm gonna go in with the darker brown in the Kylie palette and hug the bottom lash line. So like hug it. Like you want this like right up in there with your lashes. So there's that, and now I'm gonna go in with the black very carefully. The black color in the Kylie palette's in the bottom right corner on the same brush, and I'm just gonna do back here. I'm not gonna go in as far as I did with the brown. And now I'm gonna go in, I have the same brush here, and I'm gonna go in with the orange color in the Kylie palette. Now that you have your colors down, I just kind of take the orange and like blend it a little bit with the brown and the black, and then you can bring it also a little bit more in if you feel like it. And now I'm gonna go back with the brush I used earlier for like the main eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with the brown from the Charlotte Tilbury Golden Goddess palette right here. It's the shade Smoke. Love that. Ah! Just kidding. Anyways, so we're gonna, I don't know what that was. I really don't. Go right underneath your lash line with this color again. And this one is kind of just to blend everything in, because this is like the main, this smoke color from the Charlotte Tilbury Golden Goddess palette is like the main part of the show. We really want her highlighted. We want her everywhere. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and do some liner. I'm not a big liquid eyeliner person, but it does look like she's got some black liner going on, so we're gonna succumb to that. All right, so let's zoom. So I'm gonna go in with my paint pot from MAC in the shade Black Black, because we like the black eyeliner, and I'm gonna use the 210 by MAC. It's like this little eyeliner brush. So Megan Fox has this like really thick, actually, black liner on our upper lid. And so we're gonna, you know, copy that. It's like a thin on the inner corner, and then it goes a little bit thicker in the middle, and then on the end I think she's got a wing going, and if she doesn't, that's okay. I'm gonna do a little wing because she doesn't really need one because she has those like feline eyes already, but I don't. So here we go. Go over wings whenever I do a wing with a black powder. I think it just kind of sets it in place and makes it look a lot more dark. So I like to just kind of go in again. So I'm going to go in again with this black shade. Oop, wrong. And again with this flat edge brush. And just go over the black liner. I don't know, I feel like, you see that? It's more natural. That's like a really, really bad term to use for a black eyeliner. It's less natural, but in a good way. I think it kind of softens up the liner, so that's why I do it. And now I'm gonna go back in. I feel like I don't have enough underneath my eyeball now that I just put that on top. So I'm gonna go black underneath. And now again, I want more. I want more of this brown from the Charlotte Tilbury palette. So I'm gonna put more because I can. And now I'm also gonna go back in with this brush again. You're like, oh my God, aren't you done with this? No, I'm not done with it. And I'm gonna use it. So again, the same brown color, and I'm gonna kind of extend my inner eyeball to get that like feline look. See it, like it totally just pinched in my eyeballs. Just makes you look like that. And now this part is so minimal but does so much. Black liner on the upper inner waterline. This will pinch in your eyeballs and make them look 10 gazillion times smaller. You want that feline look? Okay, so Megan Fox has white on her lower inner waterline, which is putting me at like a huge like inner dilemma. I don't know. I think the answer to this question will come to me after I put on mascara. I'm gonna hop on down the lips. I'm gonna use more of like a purple tone. I tried like a red, that's why my lips look kind of red. I did not like it. So I'm gonna use the new pink Color Design Sheen 20M508 by Lancome. So it looks like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my mascara. What mascara do I need? Oh, I got this new one that I'm like kind of feeling like really hard. Super weird. Okay, so it's by Marcel. It's Lash Definition Expansion Mascara. And it's like really different than most mascaras I've used. I'm gonna zoom in so we can get the full effect. All right, so the brush looks like this. It has no angles, nothing special. It's just like a straight up brush, but I like kind of am in love with it. I don't know why I chose not to curl my lashes beforehand. I'm so psyched because after I do this, I'm gonna go get a panini, and I have Blue Spoon. It has like the best paninis, so I'm really stoked about that. And I know earlier I was talking about how I had the dilemma, like, do I do the white eyeliner? Do I do like a brown and make it look more sultry? I think I'm gonna stick with what she did. So I'm gonna do the white, a little casual white on the bottom. So there's with the white. I'm gonna put on more gloss because Megan Fox has like really, really glossy lips. So I'm gonna go with the Lancome 222 Fizzy Rosy. Looks like this. We're gonna have some mad gloss going on right now. But she had so much lip gloss on in Transformers. Oh! I just found my eyelash curler, and I found the eyeliner that I wanted to use in this video that I didn't get to use because it was lost, but it's right there. So that's me. That's on me. I'm gonna curl my lashes really quick. Then here's a finished look. I zoomed in so you guys could see, you know, what it looks like close up. I really like it. It's weird wearing this much lip gloss. It really makes you want to just like, and like really just talk with your lips. I totally get it. Megan Fox must feel like such a stud when she does this. It's like epic. But yeah, this is definitely the look. I really, really like it. It's a little bit more than she wore in Transformers, but like I said, pollution's rocking my world right now, so I really couldn't wear not a lot of foundation because that wouldn't be the bomb.com for me. But if you're trying to do the full look, yeah, just use less foundation, use a little bit more blush, get a little greasy, go for a sweat, like, you know, that Megan Fox look. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Really easy to do, honestly. It was not difficult, and I think I did it a little bit more extra than I had to. Looking at the pictures, it looks like her makeup artist was just like da 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 da, like 15-minute, like you're done. So this is kind of more like an upscaled version. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the first one I've ever made, so if it's shitty, that's my excuse. Have a good day.